Today I will share with you a very classic issue. We can see that this is the PCB of an EME BMW inverter. The BGA chip on the right side of this pad. It is quite bad. We can check it with the microscope. We can see serious damage on the board, specifically on the CPU pads. Today let's repair these. Otherwise, we cannot solder another CPU over here. There certainly will be non-connected pins and shorts. Okay, let's repair it. We need to repair it while it's on the microscope. The first step is to apply UV gel directly on it. Then spread it out evenly. We cover the chip base with a thin layer of this. Then directly use the UV light to stick it. Okay, after that, we have insulation. Now, we use a tiny knife. We need to scrape out all the pads one by one. After scraping, the pads can be repaired. Now all the pads have been repaired. Now directly install the chip and test. Okay, now our pad has been repaired. We put the chip in the right position and heat it. Okay, now the chip is soldered. Let's connect on platform and test it. Let's enter the system. Can communicate? Good. Then let's read the error codes. There are many error codes on the platform. It's normal because we are not on the car. So this inverter PCB should be okay to use. If you like this kind of videos, give USA feedback and we will try to do more.